Hello guys, today in this video we will review the Extreme Adz Pro. We will also see how this product is and what is the greater side of this product. For every product there are only two aspects always, one is positive and another one is negative side. So, let's start the video from features and benefits of the product. This is a product, which is professionally made by Extreme Adz team, and the key specs of this product is that. So the first sentence is written here is, how you can create professional eye-popping 3D meta-style ads in minutes by simply pointing, click and building. Here are the steps that how you can create design. Choose your background with 100 single quotes of templates and selection of your third animation, and then publish your video. And here are another points, and the main thing, which is its cost. Very cheap and surprisingly. Here is the demo video, how it looks like. Let's have a view. Then here two positive responses by its users. Here you can see how Extreme Adz transformed this old ad into modern third pro ad. This is tremendous. I made my first sale in 36 hours since getting Extreme Adz. Oh wow. Clients are loving it and I am using for my own business, Paul said. And here is over 414% better cost per click and lead cost for Extreme style ad. And the lead cost is actually a little bit, only 34 cents. And that's also great. Here is shown that Mark Zuckerberg, one of the world's richest men, has said that this is the future. Yeah, of course the whole world is now getting digitalized and everything is gonna be digital. Here is the examples of high demanding industries where Extreme Adz can help you to boost in any field. Some of the examples are sports, commerce, online coaching and pizza industries. You can upload your videos on Instagram ads, Facebook ads and TikTok ads as well without any problem. And thoughts? Great! And here is the whole list of features which Extreme Adz will provide you. 100 single quotes of backgrounds, add emojis, full text editor, 100 single quotes of third pop-up animations, 100,000 stock images and many more. This is gonna be a huge and profitable software. Imagine the hyper-engagement promoting seasonable offers, like Easter, Halloween, and Black Friday. These are the examples. Here are the main points. First is choose from 100 single quotes of existing templates or upload your own. Access 100,000 single quotes of backgrounds. Enter any keyword and get what you need. Second is, add 3D engaging animation in one simple click. Create unlimited videos with Extreme Adz Pro. This is huge, most amount they can provide. Third is, choose background music from 100,000 single quotes of royalty-free soundtracks. And fourth is, create super realistic ads by adjusting profile pic and social likes, which will be too easier to handle. The fifth point is, full drag and drop text editor, emoji and damp hashtags. You can use attractive hashtags as well. And the sixth point is, clone and edit videos with one click. So as from all the ways. It's highly recommending software this time for every professional creator of publisher. Here is what the perspective comes at is, you will have to spend many more time to create this type of ads, that is not good. And second is, if you hire a professional ad maker that will cost you around thousands of dollars. So that is the reason why you should go for this instead. So, this is all about Extreme Adz. And product is 100% genuine and legit and helpful to boost your earning growth. And in order to buy this product you can see that there are two packages available, whichever you are affordable and want you can purchase. And one important thing to share with you, if you purchase the product from the link in the description box, I am going to provide not one but two bonuses. And once you have purchased the product, you can contact me on my Instagram ID given also in the description box. Then share me the screenshot of the purchase message and then I will provide you the bonuses. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.